So ladies and gentlemen, back in the McArthur Industries group. So just a video for a bit of an update. So we just want to give you a bit of an idea of what's happening in our group. So before Christmas, we spoke about our new premises, which is all moving forward. We've got the Sandgate Automotive and Auto Electrics in there. We've got our Storm Custom Works. We've got a new Fibreglass facility with spraying and booths and stuff like that. But what we needed to do is sit down for a while. It took a bit to get us up and going that. And as you can see behind us here, we've had some people working with us, and we'll give you a bit of a review once we get this up and going. But our new offices are hopefully going to be up and going in the next 2 to 3 months. So this is a video today showing you a bit of a bare shell. So hopefully by, I'd say, the end of next week, you're going to see this where we're going to have our cabinetry in, start getting our fit outs done, getting our data and cabling, and then we'll also have some of our local people helping us do some of our fit out to work forward to make sure these offices come through. So please, over the next, I'd say 2 to 3 months, drop in, have a look at it. But what we'll do is we'll give you another video, and hopefully you can see what's moving forward with this. And we'd like to thank everyone, all our clients, all our valued people that come to us, some of our suppliers, and also my family for helping me out get to where we are. It's just been brilliant to see how this has come together. So thanks very much. Speak to you soon. Keep on these social media channels, guys. You're going to see something coming through to you. Have a good day. Speak to you soon.